If you skip, leave, or speed up the video, you will receive an X. When X equals you lose. This is going to be really hard for people who are sick at the moment.
Me.
Lose the challenge. Okay, this is $10,000 right here. You have 5 seconds to cough or you won't get it. Hurry, cough. You really don't want it? Whoa. Do you want this instead? All you have to do is cough. Why aren't you coughing? Let me play some coughing videos. That will surely make you cough. Ugh, whatever. But can you beat this challenge? You'll only have 7 seconds this time. Try to like the video and subscribe with notifications before it runs out. Haha, only 40% of people can do it. Also, did you cough?
Until then, like that button in the face. Hit the like button. Thank you. Subscribe to my
watching
channel.
this video.